Hi guys, I'm Sanup Kumar Singh, founder of Hatchcore. So welcome to our YouTube channel. On this channel, I will teach you cutting edge tech including AI, robotics, blockchain, cryptocurrency and DevOps. So all from scratch in simple practical lessons. So no fluff, right? So just real projects that will level up your skills. So on this channel, we are going to build various AI models with most popular deep learning and machine learning frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow and Hugging Face. And we are also going to move to robotics with most popular simulators like VBot. And also we are going to break down blockchain and crypto systems and even deploy projects with DevOps tools. So this every topic I will break down this every topic under 15-minute video, so you can learn fast and apply fast. So if you are serious about mastering future tech, subscribe now and join with us. So let's build the future together. So see you in the next video.